Hi, I am Atilla Uyghur.
Hi, I am Metehan Uyghur.
Me and my brother are here to talk about Chinese occupation in East Turkestan.
We are here to talk about the Chinese genocide in East Turkestan.
And we are here to talk about the 21st century Holocaust in East Turkestan. Hello, dear Honorable President Donald Trump. Hello, dear Honorable U.S. Senators and Congress Representatives. And hello, dear all my fellow American citizens. As American-born citizens, we are here to encourage you to sign the Uyghur Human Rights Policy Act of 2019, otherwise known as H.R. 649. We also want you to support the Uyghurs to stop Chinese occupation and genocide in East Turkestan. China is currently committing genocide against the Uyghur people in Chinese-occupied East Turkestan, which China occupied and invaded in 1949. After the invasion and occupation, China deemed East Turkestan as Xinjiang, or New Territory. China gained rapid economic power since it was included in the World Trade Organization in 2002. China has adopted a global development strategy which is known as the Belt and Road Initiative. And this strategy is to gain territorial expansion into Europe and ultimately the United States. East Turkestan and its Uyghur people are extremely important to save Europe and the United States from China's long-term ambitious territorial expansion towards the West. For these reasons, we should end China's genocide on Uyghur people soon for our own future. The reason China is doing all of this to East Turkestan is because China wants to spread their dragon's three major arms out, which is the territorial, political, and economical arms. And they want those arms to be able to reach out to the West and the US. But East Turkestan is like a big wall that is blocking those arms and protecting the world.
China has forcibly detained an estimated more than 3 million innocent Uyghur people into massive concentration camps, the 21st century Holocaust. China has called these camps re-education camps, but the things going inside of them are the complete opposite. In these camps, victims are tortured, their organs are harvested while they are still alive. Victims are drugged with unknown substances that cause memory loss and mental derangement. They are forced to denounce their religion and their ethnic identity. In East Turkestan, Uyghur women are forced to marry Han Chinese men. Children are forced to separate from their parents and are sent to orphanages. Over 500,000 children are sent to state orphanages because their parents are in these concentration camps. China has also destroyed graveyards in East Turkestan. China is trying to systematically destroy and erase the Uyghur ethnicity. Every single U.S. citizen's support on the Uyghur Human Rights Policy Act of 2019 is crucial to save the lives of countless innocent Uyghurs that are suffering right now, and it is vital to protecting America's national interests.
Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing my American nation's support.